With the possible threat of a global avian flu pandemic, the Centers for Disease Control presents the following film as a public service.
Hey, kids! I'm Bird Flu, the bird with bird flu. What's bird flu, you ask? Well, you know when you're not feeling so good, and your tummy hurts, and you feel real hot? Well, bird flu is exactly the same, except you die. So I'm going to teach you how to make sure you never get bird flu. When you see a dead bird lying in the middle of the road, what should you do? Wrong! Never pick up a dead bird! Wrong! Even though it's fun, never lick a dead bird. Right! Let a homeless person dispose of the bird. Not only are you saving your life, you're providing a nourishing meal for the city's forgotten people. When you come in contact with someone who may be a carrier of bird flu, what should you do? Wrong! Never share your lollipop with a possible bird flu victim. Wrong! Remember, a potential bird flu victim's vomit is not finger paint. Right! Blow your bird flu whistle and let the authorities handle the situation. And now, here to list some more bird flu do's and don'ts is my brother, Big Bird Flu. You know what? Let's move on. If you think you might have bird flu, what should you do? Wrong! Don't bother telling your parents that you're sick. It'll only make them sad. Wrong! Don't bury yourself alive. You'll only contaminate the water table for the rest of us. Right! If you think you have bird flu, immediately report to the nearest avian influenza containment center, where they'll fix you up as good as new. Hey, this conveyor belt is fun! Thanks for your time, kids. And remember what bird flu, the bird with bird flu, always says, there's no cure. Bye-bye. What the